Welcome to the 8th in a series of video modules for the Consumer Products Reporting Tool, the data collection tool for the 2013 survey. At this point, you have finished entering all of your product and ingredient information. This module covers the review of data, automatic data checking, data certification, and CSV file generation, and transfer to formulators. Click on the Check Data button on the main menu. To check entered company data, click on the Company button. A pop-up window stating the company data are complete will appear if all the required company data have been entered. If not, a pop-up message will appear stating some required fields are not completed yet. Please fill all required data. Repeat the process to check the completeness of the data entered for all products, product formulators, and fragrance formulators by clicking on the corresponding buttons. As with the company data, if any of the data are incomplete, a pop-up window will appear announcing, some required fields are not completed yet. Please fill all required data. The CPRT will then direct the user to the corresponding data entry screen where the missing data can be entered. If there is more than one record with incomplete information, it will be listed in the drop-down Select Edit field at the top of the page. The drop-down Select Edit field will then be used to go to the next incomplete record once the missing information for the currently displayed record is entered. This step must be done before the data can be exported to ARB. It may also be done at any time during the data entry. The CPRT will not activate the Submit Export Data button on the main menu unless all of the data are complete. If any of the required information has been left blank, it must be completed through the Check Data button before the final data export. When all of the missing information has been entered, click on the Save Close button. A pop-up window will appear with a message that the data are complete. By clicking on the Review Data button on the main menu screen, the user can review the entered information for products, ingredients, and formulators in a table format. None of the reports generated under the Review Data button need to be exported to ARB. They are provided for review purposes only. When finished, click on the Close button to return to the Review Data screen. Click on the Export Formulator Data button to generate CSV files to send to the formulator for completion of the formula information. In the pop-up window, select the location for files to be saved on the computer, then click OK. Next, locate the exported files on the computer. There will be one formulator key text file, which will have a list of exported files and formulator contact information that those files should be sent to. There will be one CSV file per formulator. Refer to the formulator text key file to send each of the exported CSV files to a corresponding formulator. Once all of the data has been entered into the CPRT, the user must export CSV files to submit to ARB. To do this, click on the Submit Export Data button from the main menu screen on the CPRT. The Export Data menu appears. Click on the Make CSV Files for Submission. A pop-up window appears saying, Certification must be completed to continue. Click OK to continue to the survey certification page. The purpose of this page is to document specific regulatory compliance. This section is to be completed by an authorized representative. Someone at management level for the responsible party must certify that all information is submitted is true, complete, and accurate. Check the applicable box or boxes for your data. Then complete the date, address, and electronic signature fields and print the certification form. The next dialog box will prompt the user to save the CSV files. CSV files for the responsible party, formulator, product, and ingredients information will then be saved to your computer for future upload. The final CSV files, including the certification, can be submitted to ARB beginning January 1st, 2015. Module number 10 will cover the upload data process to ARB.